loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on this hair that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this wig is courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. As you guys know, they have constantly been hooking your girl up, sending me wigs, and so I am slowly but surely getting through all of them. This wig comes from their Sassy Lively Spirit collection, and it is in the style Sassy HMH Kate. Yeah, Kate. So this is the model and the stock card. I am wearing it in Sombre RT Sunset. So yeah, if you guys can see this color, it is a very vibrant orange and blondish, because I don't think it's yellow, but like an orangish blondish color. So yeah, so I was pretty inspired by this color, and so I kind of did my makeup based off of that. So if you guys can see that, that's where the inspiration of my makeup came from. So yeah, I thought that would go very nicely. I did a very neutral lip to not be too bold or anything. And so yeah, as far as this wig, it says it's a hand-tied high heat of 400 degrees. It has a 6-inch semicircle deep part. So this is what you see right here. And so I did nothing to the part except for put mineralized skin finish. Also, it came with baby hairs, which I absolutely love, and the baby hairs are very natural looking, so I love that. Also, you didn't have to cut off the lace, so that is one of the highlights. Like, whenever I get a wig and I don't have to cut off the lace, like, I'm super excited because they already did the work for you. They already took the lace off, gave you baby hairs, gave you a nice part. So yeah, there wasn't much that I had to do with this wig. And so yeah, most of the time in color, sometimes I'm like, I prefer black, but this one, I love it. And probably because it has deep roots. It has dark roots. So yeah, I love the fact that it has dark roots, and then it goes into this, you know, very orangish, brightish color. So yeah, I could see myself definitely wearing this for the spring and the summer. It's not too heavy at all. Like, it's very lightweight and it's very movable. So I don't feel like it's like so much hair or that I'm gonna be like super sweating. Plus, I think on the model it shows that she has it in a ponytail. So I didn't try putting it in a ponytail, but let's just quickly see like what it looks like maybe. So you guys can decide if you like it in a ponytail. I can already tell I am. Look at that. Look what different look you get when you put it in a ponytail. Y'all like it? So yeah, I'm definitely feeling this, and now that I know I can put it in a ponytail, I'm definitely feeling it. So yes, but I like it like this too. So yeah, I like it. I'm actually loving it. If you guys love it, make sure to let me know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking, and so make sure you stay tuned for the quick unboxing, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.